Black Friday. Appliance Direct exclusive. Maytag Quiet Top Control Dishwasher. Dishwasher noise is measured in average decibels over the entire wash cycle. This dishwasher is quieter than 91% of all the dishwasher out there. Means quiet kitchen, means quiet home. Plus, when you have more dishes than time, this Appliance Direct exclusive has 3 extra features. Extra power means you don't soak, scrub, or rinse. Plus, dual power filtrations, plus long heated dry. This Appliance Direct exclusive Maytag 7959 dishwasher, $497 while it lasts. Retail is a wacky nunu. Black Friday, Whirlpool True Convection Double Oven. Convection conversion means you set for normal recipe and oven does the convection math. Hidden bake element, true convection. Surround system heat with a European convection means best turkey. Plus, frozen bake means toss it in, hit the button. 8-element cooktop means 3 rings, 2 rings, 3 rings in the back. Appliance Direct, brand new in the box, $1097 while it lasts. Black Friday. Appliance Direct exclusive deal. Kenmore Elite 30.6 cubic foot French door. Smart French door. Dispenser, Simple Select, and more push to level. Means simple and durable. Stainless steel finish, smudge-proof magnetic surface. Means less wiping. Dual evaporators creates a separate climate. Means meats, fruits, and veggies last longer. Lowe's $29.99. Appliance Direct $14.97 while it lasts.